Makiria wa mathaa 48 thutha wa kwihitithio, Maminister eeru ni maambĩrĩirie kuiyukia wabici ciao kuona atire ihinda rĩa guteanga harĩ gutungatĩra muingi. Minister wa maria maturigiciirie Keriako Tobiko niwe uma wa mbere kuiyukia wabici yake kuma kuri uria uranyitĩrĩire ministry yo Judy Wahungu. Tobiko akiruta mikana mirumu kuri maabitha mititu aria makoretwo makinyitanira na andu aria matemaga miti mugaru na watho, akiuga thikũ ciao ni ndare na aria mekunyitikana ni megutigithio wira.
And those rotten officers who are the custodians of our forest resource must be weeded out.
Oho ni arutire mukana kuri endia mbao na aria mahetwo marua ma gutema miti mitito-ini guku bururi-ini, akiuga aingi ao matiratwarithia wira wao kuringana na marua mao, akihinyiriria ati marua mao ni megukanjwo.
And I want to put the sawmillers on notice. Those licenses that have been given to you are given to you in trust. You are supposed to harvest within the allocated quota or quotas, and you are required to replant.
Mwena-ini wake Wahungu ni augire ni iganirite ni uria aratungatire ari ministry-ini ino, akiuga makinya mari na kiguni kuri maria maturigiciirie ni matacukitio.
We made tremendous strides throughout this sector. I don't need to get to the details because you know them. I am also very pleased to hand over a very secure environment and forestry sector to the new cabinet secretary.
Wakere Maminister wa migunda Farida Karoney uria wiyukirie matamu ma utongoria wa ministry yo kuma kuri minister wa hau kabere Jacob Kaimenyi. Farida akionekana eharĩrĩirie wega gutungatira ministry no iria yoikaine makiria ni gukorwo ina macira matathiraga ma migunda. Harĩ ndũmĩrĩri yake, Karoney ni augire ati ni eharĩrĩirie kung'ethanĩra na turia nime twa migunda turia tukoretwo tukiagagia aria marenda motungata mawabici-ini matiganĩte ma migunda.
I am under no illusion that the task ahead is going to be challenging, but I know that in this ministry I have competent staff. I have staff who have worked with this ministry to deliver service to the people. So I'm not worried at all about the challenge at all ahead.
Mwena-ini wake Kaimenyi ni ataririe matacukia maria ministry hotete kwigwatira na kuhe minister mweru umirĩru na thengia ministry yo gukorwo igikuruhanio na ukora muingi.
We have instituted key legal and policy reforms in this ministry. Chief among them is formulation of a national spatial plan.
Muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kamĩtĩ ya kũramata mĩgũnda Mohamed Swazuri akiranira kurutithania wira na minister mweru.
Together with the other bodies that are there in the environment sector, in the agriculture sector, everybody we are linked to in the water sector, I think we have been unable to overcome most of the problems, and we hope that with your coming in, we shall be able to do more, especially now that you are media expert.
The desk.
Nakuo ministry-ini ya mai, minister wa ugai wa mahinya Eugene Wamalwa anengereria murunawe wa mai na utheru Simon Chelugui matamu ma utongoria.
Na siku ya leo nina furaha sana nikimkaribisha waziri mwenzangu ambaye sasa atashika usukani hapa Maji House. Mumkaribishe waziri mwenzangu ambaye sasa ameingia Maji House leo na atakuwa nanyi hapa kwa miaka 5 ijayo. Nimemkaribisha.
Chelugui akiranira gutwarithia kioneki kia ministry ino na mbere, makiria gutambiria Kenya othe mai gugikinyiria muthia wa miaka 5.
Ile mpangilio umeweka ya kuhakikisha kwamba wananchi wanapata maji kutoka mahali ulipata ikiwa 53% mpaka sasa hivi 60%. Ni kazi yetu na jukumu yetu sasa, tukiwa pamoja na madamu Kushu na wale washikadau wote wa hii sekta ya maji kuendeleza hiyo miradi.
Riu maitho mothe megukorwo maroreirio maminista ya othe kuona uria meguteithiriria mutongoria wa bururi gukinyaniria ituge inya ta uria eranĩire cia gutwarithia bururi na mbere. thutha wa kwihitithio riu ti wira ta mutugo Maminister eeru magithie na mbere kuiyukia mithigi ya wabici ciao kionereria ati wira ni wambiriirie ari ithenya-ini ria gwikira itugi inya cia mutongoria wa bururi itena-ini riake ria keri. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita Kamau wa Mwangi.